this next video here is just going to show, if you go into like my car and like this screen looks a little funny, what we have to do is we have to go into settings, about, factory settings, put 4/8 in here, press OK, come up into this top one here, I'll get this out of the way for you, BMW settings, car type. Now for example, if I put this on here on 2 and you were to push back, press OK. Now if I went to our factory car one, you'd see it looks all weird. So if you're getting something like that, into settings, factory settings, 4/8, OK. This, you might just have to try like a couple of them. That's the wrong one, we want to be on 3, and then you should be good. And back, and OK. And that's how you get the screen looking like it should look.